Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to find DB version in WordPress database in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress database and this is our option table. Now you see option name, option value, site URL, home. So we are going to find out DB version. Now you see row, number of row, filter row. So there are multiple ways to find out DB version. Now you see number of row. Now select and then select 500. Now loading. Now you see number of row 500. Now you see filter row. So we are going to search this table. Now search. Now you see DB underscore version. Now you see this is our DB version and this is our initial DB version, and there is another way to find out DB version. Now go to search. So click on it. Now you see option name DB underscore version and then click on go. Now you see DB version and then you see option value, back to table, and if we select number of row 25 by default. Now loading. Now you see search this table. Now write DB underscore version and you don't see option value and option name of DB underscore version. So select 500. Now loading. Again search. Now you see DB underscore version, initial underscore DB underscore version. So this is our option table in WordPress database. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.